Yes, yes, I'm here.
Okay, okay. So in this game, you're trying to fill your board with all these event cards. Okay. So you will see there are 6 different regions on the top left. So you can see I started in Africa, Chintan is in Oceania, and Chirag, you are in South America. So you'll pick one of the 3 cards beneath you and you'll place it on your board on the right. And then, depending on which color you choose, you'll move to that region. So, like if Chintan chooses 1914, he'll go to North America next. And there he'll pick the next card, like that. If he chooses 1963, he'll move to Africa, like that. So, what you're trying to do is you're trying to fill these cards on your board, and each of them has their own requirements. So, the first row, it just requires cards in ascending order from left to right, but they need to be different colors. So you can see there are space for 6 cards. So from left to right you have to go. So numbers go from, so dates go from 19000 to 1999. The second row that says one era, you have to fill cards from left to right, different colors, but the gaps between adjacent cards should not be more than 10 years. That's why it's saying 1 to 10.
Hmm.
And when you're filling cards, you can fill in any order. It doesn't have to start from left to right. You can fill middle, then right, then left, any order you want. And then the bottommost row, one continent, it just needs to be all the same color, but again in ascending order. And finally, the one on the, no, not finally, the middle right one, it says mid-century. You want to place a card as close to the 1950 as possible.
Hmm.
And then finally, the bottom right one, you're trying to create the largest gap between years. So the left should be as close to 1900 as possible, and right as close to 1999 as possible.
Hmm.
And if at any time you can't place a card, you can put it in one of the black spaces, but you lose 1 point each. And if you don't want to place so you can end your game by not placing a card, or if you can't place or you don't want to place, you can end. But then that's how many points you'll get.
One question. How did you come to know that from if I pick from the first tile, my second will be North America?
No, it's the color. So because you chose yellow,
Oh,
you went to
color.
North America because North America is yellow.
Okay, okay.
So at the end of the game, you'll get points based. Uh, so any empty places where you didn't place a event will get you -1 point. The years gap, whoever has the largest gap, um, one moment, let me see this. One era mid-century. You will get 1 point. Uh, ah, huh? Oh, that's interesting. No, that's solo mode. Okay, that's why I'm confused. So the person with the biggest gap between the 2 years gap, will get 5 points. Second will get 2 points. Second biggest is 4 points. Third is 3 points, and so on and so forth. Continent focus, you get points equal to the number of cards of your most frequent continent.
Okay.
Um, as in, basically, you will at the end of the game you'll score points equal to the number of your most placed continent. So if you had like 5 green, you'll get 5 points, like that, all over your board.
Okay.
And one more, what other scoring is there? You'll also get 1 point for every decade card you have. So there are 10 decades. So if you have one card for every decade from which you have a card, you'll get 1 point. You'll also get 1 point for every card that is consecutive, placed consecutively. So like if you put 1914, no, if you put 1915 after that, like that will give you like 1 point. So you want to try and get consecutive cards. So you can see the scoring. So the things on the board are the requirements. The thing in the scoring panel is like what the scores you'll get. So yeah, Chirag, just pick something, whatever you pick, you'll move there next. If two of us are in the same region, it will be in turn order you'll pick. No, that won't work. Oh, that will take me there.
What is that?
I forgot what it is. Something Albert Einstein. It can be placed anywhere, basically. Can fill any slot, sort of. You can't put same colors in the same row, except for the one continent.
I did not know that.
Yeah, I should have mentioned that again. You can put it in the one era, yeah. And when someone keeps a color in their one continent, you can't place the same color in the one continent. You'll have to go with a different color.
Any downsides to the Einstein card?
No, only in solo.
It acts as a wild.
Hmm.
Just a minute.
Okay. I'll just be it. No, wait, actually, never mind.
Hmm. Wait, this 1945 card, it lets me go anywhere, right?
Yeah, I think that's how it works.
Okay. In that case, I want that. Hmm.
Oh, so Einstein will also let me go anywhere.
Most likely.
Yes, looks like it.
Wait,
Hmm.
so if I put the Einstein in the year gap, it will work as anything, right?
And I don't know.
I don't
I
think
don't
you
think
can
so.
do that.
Wait, let me check.
Hmm. So if I put this 1945 in the one continent, which color will it count as?
Einstein will give you 0 points if you put it in years gap.
Hmm.
Okay. So what about one continent?
Yeah, I told you all same colors have to be there.
Yeah, but if I put like a wild, what happens?
I
No,
don't
the
know.
Einstein doesn't give you any points on any of these.
Yeah. Yeah,
Ah,
Einstein doesn't give you points for anything. But it's a wild.
So it just yeah, it just helps you move to where you want to go.
hmm,
Right, right. Hmm.
stupid card.
Fine, I'll go here.
Eh?
What's A?
Hmm. So I can put a 35 over here.
Yep. So remember, you're trying to go for consecutive numbers also. That'll give you points.
Hmm. What should I do?
Hmm. I don't have what I want.
Hmm.
So
What
what
of-
does the mid-century do again?
Where is it? Mid-century. Whoever
I
has
think
the
the
number closest to 1950 will get more points. Second highest less points, and so on.
That's me. I already got it.
Yeah, he got
yeah,
1950.
that's why
So
I asked. That's why
the
I asked.
points is
Hmm. In that case, probably I should do this.
I don't know. It's not properly given.
Just so that I understand, the 1 era is like there should be a difference between. I mean, it should be greater than one
It should be
decade, right?
between 1 decade.
Okay.
If I take this,
Somebody's watching me.
37.
Oh no,
What?
I can't cancel.
Yeah, because when you take something, it reveals new information. Mm, I'm also kind of in a bad spot. This will take me 70. Okay, fine.
So what is okay,
What is what?
one continent?
All have to be the same color. But you can't fill it with a color that someone else is doing. So you can't put anything but blue. You already started with blue, so you can't put anything but blue.
Oh wait, the continent. What does the arrow mean? The one continent.
Everything has to be in ascending order.
Oh my god, yeah, I messed up. Okay.
Oh, you put the 86 first. That's so bad.
Yeah. There's no way I can fill that now.
Mm.
Damn.
I mean, you might get
Fine, yeah.
higher numbers. Purple.
No, it's the highest number that's purple.
Yeah.
Yep. You can see
Yeah, the
like
question
to
mark.
the right of the board.
Yes.
So it's a guaranteed -2. Nice.
What can I take from? Oh, it won't let me add it. Okay, fine.
Ouch, mistake.
Where did you want to put that?
Top.
Yeah, I told you, can't have the same colors.
Ah,
Hmm. Could place that there. I take this, I'll go there. I take this, I'll go there. Yeah, it works. Oh, I'll be in trouble. We'll
I
do
have yellow,
this.
brown, red, and green. So blue and what's the other color? Purple. There are no purple cards right now.
I think this.
I'm stuck now.
Yeah. So whatever you take now, you'll have to put it in one of the right spaces.
You said there was also an option to end, right?
Yeah, but then that your game is over. You won't place any more cards, and you lose 1 point for every unplaced card, for every uh, spot where there's no card placed. So that's 3 for each for all of us right now.
Okay, but then if I also place the rake in the -1 position, that will also become a -1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. In that case, I mean, it doesn't matter what I do right now.
There are no purple cards.
This will take me. So this way.
No option.
Yeah, you can end the game. You can just end the
I
game.
think I'll do RNG.
What?
Yeah. So let's say
I
if you
mean,
flip,
oh,
if
okay.
you select a card and flip, and if that turns out to be a purple,
Okay.
No, but you could still check, right, whether there is a purple between 1919 and
there is
1947,
there is.
and whether someone has already used it or not.
Mm,
Wow, close
so
game.
there was a 1932.
Oh, that's where you went for it. Okay.
Yeah.